Old credit cards and hotel cards make great glue spreaders. You don't need one of those fancy spatula things from Woodcraft to get glue out of the corners. A straw will work just fine. Mustard bottles make great glue bottles. It squeezes out just enough, and it has a resealable lid so your glue doesn't dry out. You may not know it, but your tape measure has a few pretty cool designs for it. Right here, the front part of it goes back and forth. That's because when you're on the outside of something, it makes up for the 1/16 of an inch that it's cut off. On the inside, this metal piece makes up for that. You'll also notice that your wall studs are marked every 16 inches. Then you'll also wonder what these black diamonds are right there. They're actually to mark truss locations, so you can use it and it's compatible on an 8-foot sheet good. The last thing right here, you'll notice there's a little area right there, and that is for a nail to go in when you don't have anyone to hold the other side of your tape measure. If you need to get a 45 degree on your miter, loosen it. And use this and line up the two numbers, matching numbers on the miter slot, and then push it down, tighten it up, and you have a 45 degree angle right there. Keep a shop book that has everything you need in it for your shop. Segmented wood turning, I have all of these done up. Back here I have parts places for my lathe. You can even put some of your templates in here. Conversion charts, everything. It's a good thing to have in your shop at all times. You can never have too many tape measures. I suggest you go to Harbor Freight, use your free coupon, and get one every time you go in. And put them everywhere in your shop, because as soon as you put this down on the ground or on a table, it's going to disappear. When they break, go ahead and cut them into little sections like this, and you can still use them and just put them around places.